You are going to love the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.